Hello friends. So let's see a quick demo of the application that I've been working on for a couple of weeks for the hackathon going on right now. It's sponsored and hosted by Hashnode and HarperDB. So the application that I'm working on is called TryShape. So as the name suggests, you will be able to create, export, share, and use or try out any shapes of your choice. So basically, this is an app where you can come and give your creativity an edge to create something really innovative. So what are the key features of this? The key features is like you can make your creative thoughts a reality with a few clicks. You can export the shape as CSS snippet or an SVG, PNG, JPEG, CSS, whatever you would like to. You can additionally share it so that whatever your creative work that others can get benefit out of it. That's a great way to collaborate. So far, the file support provided by TryShape is the SVG format, scalable vector graphics. You can export things as PNG, JPEG, and you can also get CSS snippet to directly use it in your HTML and style. So that's great. So without wasting so much of time, let's try TryShape. So once I try shape, I get to see that there are already a few shapes, there. So people have created the shapes. There are circles, there is a bevel, there is a rabbit, there is a lightning, there's blinds. Okay, what not? There is a house as well. So great. There are a lot of shapes, and I see there are certain interaction points. For example, I can export, and I can copy source. Neat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to like this one. So okay, so while liking it is asking me to sign in, of course, because it probably want to track like who is liking and who is disliking a shape. And liking a shape in TryShape is also a way to add this shape to your collection. So that any point of time you want to retrieve it by the shapes that you have liked, you can do that and can make use of those shapes. So sign in is required. So let's sign in with Google. So we are using Google Firebase at the backend for the authentication. So far I have activated only with Google and GitHub. In future it will be Twitter and Facebook and whatnot. So let's do this. All right, so I've selected and I'm logged in now. So I can see my photo over here with my name. Great. And now what I see a add shape button. So I'm going to make use of it in a while. So first thing first, okay, when I mouse over, I see I've already liked this shape. I've liked this one. I've liked this one. Look, probably I've liked everything. Is there anything I didn't like? Yeah, this is the one I didn't like because this is the shape I have created and kept it as private. You can see that lock icon near the name. Never the let me like the shape. So I have just put a like to it. I got a like. So every shapes I like now. So I can come here and sort by popularity, most popular, most like shapes in the front. I can actually do by oldest. I can do by recent. I can search. I can search probably a square. Let's see. Yeah, there is a square already. Let me search something like a kite. Oh, kite is not there. So what I can do, I can create a shape. I can add a shape. Basically, both are similar kind of functionality. So let's go ahead and create. So this is an editor which allow you to do shape creation or adding a shape just by few drag and drop and adding points. So the type that you can create is polygon, circle, and ellipses for now. In future, we'll be adding many other types, to make the shapes with the possible good curves and all these things. So let's go ahead and add few points to this or do a drag and drop. So okay, I can do this. Um, okay, I can do this as well. And let me add one more point over here. Okay, let's add one more point. Let's add one more point. Now I can actually drag and drop things like that. I haven't really, prepared myself like what kind of shape I'm going to create right now. But yeah, something for the demonstration purpose, at least I'm going to show you, this is, so this is something that I've created. Additionally, I don't want, I can get rid of it. Now I can actually drag and drop. Okay, some kind of shape I have created. Okay, now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to give it a name, say a test shape, and then I'm going to change the color of it, the color that I'm going, I like more. So let's go ahead and put a color. So something is about, and you see that the underlying, it uses CSS clipboard property to create a shape. But good part is like you really don't have to know the complexity of clipboard. You can just do this drag and drop and create it. Same way you can go and create a circular shape, you can go to elliptical shape, whatever you need. So shape is basically going to look like this, right? Once you export. Now go ahead and create this. So the shape should be created now. Yep. So I see this test is look like a tooth. Okay, so that's great. Now let me just go ahead and export this. So I can export this one. I can actually, while exporting, change the name of it, put a different color that I'm willing for. I can actually change the size a bit and export as PNG, JPG, or SVG. Let me show by exporting as in PNG. So the export will start. It started successfully. And we should see a dialog coming up. Yep, that's the one. I can save this guy. So it will be saved now on my hard disk. So it's got saved and I can pull it up and see that particular shape probably coming up on my laptop. Okay, it's probably taking a while. It's slow. My laptop is slow. Yep. So I got the shape. So any shape I'll be able to export similarly. Then next thing is like I may not want this PNG or SVG. I just want this shape in my style or HTML directly. So what I can do is like I can go ahead and copy this. See the CSS snippet, or I can just copy the clip path property, whatever I'm looking for. So I go ahead and copy to clip path. I copy to clipboard the things I've copied. I can go and paste it. So I see this entire CSS have come here, right? You can also select CSS selector name over here, right? So you can do this. All right. So that's pretty much it, for now with TryShape. But it has a lot of potential to grow. It has a lot of potential to add lot many feature. We're using Next.js for the UI and HarperDB for doing all the backend stuff and the data storing stuff, storing the shapes, likes, users, and user information and things like that. I hope you enjoy this small demonstration. I look forward to you to contribute to this project. Please find the GitHub link and my blog link in the description of this video. Go ahead and give a star to the GitHub repository, likes to the blog, and like and comment on this video. Have a great day. See you soon.